Stairway security camera placement outside your home must cover both the hidden approach and every step to prevent surreptitious entry. Place one camera at the top of the stairs angled down at about 45 degrees to capture faces, and at least one other camera at the bottom angled up to record anyone ascending. Use wide dynamic range and low light or infrared night mode to maintain clear detail in shadowed stairwells and behind handrails. Position cameras slightly off-center from the stair axis to avoid the blind spot created by handrails and balusters while keeping the lens perpendicular enough to preserve facial proportions for identification. Mounting height matters, so aim for roughly 7 to 8 feet above the walking surface where possible to balance field of view and subject detail, and use a 2-inch to 3-inch overhang when protecting the lens with a hood to reduce glare and rain streaks. Weatherproof and anti-vibration mounts are essential on exterior steps because foot traffic and wind can introduce motion blur and shaking. Choose stainless steel hardware and silicone seals and check mounts after storms. Run power and data lines through conduit away from obvious sight lines to reduce tampering, while keeping connections in weatherproof junction boxes, and get the camera firmware updated and configured for motion zones that exclude routine motion, like tree branches. Common mistakes are mounting only at the top of the stairs, which leaves the lower approach blind, so add the second camera and set overlapping fields of view. Another frequent issue is placing cameras too low or behind railings, so faces are obscured. Raise the mount to the recommended 7 to 8 feet and offset the angle to clear rail elements. People also use indoor mounts or non-weatherproof housings outside which fail quickly. Swap to rated outdoor housings and stainless fixtures and check seals and cable entries regularly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers practical project threads relevant to security camera installation, including placement tips and product recommendations. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences and troubleshooting advice to help plan and execute safer exterior stairway coverage.